In China, in a foreign-related case, will there only be one applicable law applied to all the legal issues in that case or in that matter, or there could be multiple applicable laws? This is often a good question when we discuss with a young lawyer or our colleague who occasionally practice foreign-related cases, but not very often. So they often get confused. But actually, this is not an ambiguous issue. Chinese Supreme Court has given their guideline, which is very clear. So in China, in a given foreign-related case, the different legal issue might trigger the application of different foreign laws. As you may know, our team practices the cross-border family law, sometimes inheritance law. So in a given inheritance case, the first issue will be to decide whether it's Chinese law or foreign law will apply to the distribution of the estate. But when you decide the scope of the estate, for example, a property registered in the name of the deceased, so we also need to decide whether that piece of property is the personal property of the deceased, or it's the community property or the joint property belonging to the deceased and his spouse or her spouse. But when we decide whether this is a separate property or community property or joint property, then under Chinese law will be the other factor, and that will lead to a different foreign law. You see, in a given case, there could be multiple foreign applicable laws. So this often makes the case very complicated, especially before some of the Chinese judges who are not really familiar with the foreign laws. So it could be very challenging in practice.